आपदामपहर्तारम् दातारं सर्वसम्पदाम् लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। भगवत्यै सीतायै नमः। भगवते हनुमते नमः। So now we are seeing in the Sri Ramacharitamanasa, one of the most beautiful compositions. In this, Bhagavan Sri Ram has appeared before Bhagavan Shivaji. Out of the devotion of Shiva to Sri Rama, Bhagavan Ram has appeared then and said, I am very much impressed by your very, very severe tapasya what you are performing. Now it is sufficient. You also stop now. Now, Devi Sati has been reborn as Parvati now. She also is of the highest order. She has got all the good qualities and everything is very, very fine with her. Now you can go and get married. This is the request of Sri Rama, and he has also put the condition, if you truly have devotion towards me, then you must do this one. Kahasi vajadapi uchita asnahi नाथ बचन पुनि मेटिन जाहि सिर धरियाय सुकर्य तुम्हारा परम धर्म यह नाथ हमारा। Shiva is saying, what you are saying, in my opinion, it is not acceptable. Uchit man, it is not acceptable because I have not given my mind to anybody other than Sati. So that means, even though it is the second birth of Sati, I have not thought in that line. I have not thought that in previous birth Sati was my consort. So other than Sati, I will not marry anybody. That was my contention. But since you are saying it, and you are my most dear Paramatma, Sri Ram is Paramatma to Shiva. He says, you are my most dear Paramatma. Therefore I accept this word, what you say, and I feel it is my duty to accept it. Shivji ने कहा, यद्यपि ऐसा उचित नहीं है, परंतु स्वामी की बात भी मेटी नहीं जा सकती। हे नाथ, मेरा यही परम धर्म है कि मैं आपकी आज्ञा को सिर पर रखकर उसका पालन करूं। I feel I definitely have to follow what you are saying. मातु पिता गुरु प्रभु के बानी, बिनहि विचार करिय सुह जानी। तुम सब भांति परम हितकारी, अज्ञा सिर पर नाथ तुम्हारी। The scriptures proclaim that the words of Mata, Pita, Guru and Swami should never be, one should never have even a second thought about doing what they have told us to do. Immediately we should carry it out. Vinahi vichar kariye subhajani. Without even thinking about it, one should immediately carry it out. Tum sab bhati paramahitakari. But you are Prabhu, you are Swami, you are Mata, Pita for everything. Tvameva Mata cha Pita tvameva. You are everything. Then definitely I have to follow whatever you say. प्रभुतो शिव सुनि शंकर बचना, भक्ति विवेक धर्म जुत रचना। कह प्रभु हर तुम्हार पन रहेऊ, अब उर राखेऊ जो हम कहेऊ। संतोषेउ सुनि शंकर वचना. Prabhu Swami Ram was very, very happy hearing the words of Shankarji. Bhakti Vivek Dharma Jut Rachana. That words of Shankar was filled with devotion, it was filled with wisdom, and it was filled with virtue also. कहा प्रभु हर तुम्हार पन रहेउ. प्रभु ने कहा हे हर आपकी प्रतिज्ञा पूरी हो गई. Sri Ram told Shiva, now your pratigna is completed. That is over. अब हमने जो कहा है उसे हृदय में रखना. Now whatever I have told you, keep it in your heart and proceed. अंतर्धान भये असभाषी शंकर सोई मूर्ति उर राखी. तब ही सप्तर्षि शिव पही आए. बोले प्रभुवति बचन सुहाए. Saying this one, Prabhu Antardhan Bhaye Asabhashi. Saying this, Sri Ram immediately disappeared. Antardhan means disappeared. Shankar Soi Murti Urrakhi. Shankar kept that beautiful form, what he had darshan, he kept it in his heart. Tabahi Saptarishi Sivapahi Aaye. The same Saptarishis who had gone to meet Parvati there, they came to see Shiva. They came to near the place where Shiva was there. बोले प्रभु अति वचन सुहाए. देन प्रभु महादेव जी ने उनसे अत्यंत सुहावने वचन का. देन शिवा स्पोक टू द सप्तऋषिज एंड टोल्ड देम वेरी 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 प्लीजिंग इंफॉर्मेशन. पार्वती पही जाए तुम प्रेम परीक्षा ले हो. प्रेरि पठ एहु भवन दूरी करेहु संदेहु. The Leela of Paramatma is they always keep taking tests and parikshas. They always want to do pariksha. So here also Shiva says, all the 7 of you go there, and then Saptarishis, you go there and take a test of Parvati's devotion and determination. Make a test of that one, and you go and tell her father. No, you can go back, don't worry, she'll come back, don't worry, you tell her father also. आप लोग पार्वती के पास जाकर उनके प्रेम की परीक्षा लीजिए और हिमाचल को कहकर उन्हें पार्वती को लिवा लाने के लिए भेजिए तथा पार्वती को घर भिजवाइए और उनके संदेह को दूर कीजिए. So you go and take a test of Parvati. And then you also tell Parvati's father to come and take Parvati home. That is sufficient. ऋषिन गौरी देखी तह कैसी मूर्तिमंत तपस्या जैसी. बोले मुनि सुनु शैल कुमारी करहु कवन कारण तप भारी. ऋषिन गौरी देखी तहाँ कैसी मूर्तिमंत तपस्या जैसी. The rishis went and saw Devi Parvati. Just imagine when you see a photograph of Param Puja Shivpuri Baba sitting in the jungle, absolutely very very minimum flesh on the body, and same way Devi Sati Parvati, when she is performing tapasya, how she would have looked? Absolutely no decoration on the body, hardly had any food, nothing at all to eat for that matter. So her body must have been just a stick-like thing. So rishis have gone and so they saw an embodiment of tapasya standing there. If you go to Tiruvannamalai, in Tiruvannamalai near Pavadakundra, there is Durga temple. Durga's temple is there. There Parvati is standing on one leg and performing the tapasya to attain Shiva. The Murti of Parvati there, in Tiruvannamalai beside our mat, Durga temple is there. There Parvati is standing on one leg and performing tapasya to attain Shiva, and Pavadakundra is the place where Shiva gives darshan to Parvati. That is where Shiva gave half of his body to Parvati, Ardhanarishwar. On top of Pavadakundra you will see Ardhanarishwar temple also there. So ऋषियों ने वहाँ जाकर पार्वती को कैसी देखा मानो मूर्तिमान तपस्या ही है। मुनि बोले, हे शैल कुमारी, सुनो, तुम किस लिए इतना कठोर तप कर रही हो? वाई आर यू परफॉर्मिंग सो सिवियर तपस्या? के ही अवराधहु का तुम चहु, हम सन सत्य मर मुखिन कहु, कहत बचन मनु अति सकुचाई, हसी हूँ सुनी हमारी जड़ताई। The Saptarishis are asking Parvati, why are you performing this severe tapasya? Tell us, don't hesitate, tell us. So Parvati is saying, I feel very shy to tell you this one because you will feel that I am a fool. You will feel that I am foolish. That's why I am feeling very shy to tell you the truth. तुम किसकी आराधना करती हो और क्या चाहती हो? हमसे अपना सच भेद क्यों नहीं कहती? पार्वती ने कहा, बात कहते मन बहुत सकुचाता है। आप लोग मेरी मूर्खता सुनकर हंसेंगे। यू विल मॉक एट मी भाई, आई टेल यू व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज माय इंटेंशन। मनोहट परा न सुनई सिखावा, चहत बारी पर भीति उठावा, नारद कहा सत्य सोई जाना, बिनु पंखन हम चहि उड़ाना। मन हठ परा न सुनई सिखावा। My mind has become adamant. Parvati is saying, my mind has become adamant. How much ever anybody tells me anything, I am not able to change my decision. What to do? I am not able to change my decision. Chahat bari par bhiti uthava. It is like trying to build a wall on water. My mind is like trying to build a wall on water. Narad kaha satya soi jana. I have taken for granted that definitely what Naradji has said, it will definitely become true. Binu pankan ham chahi udan. I don't have feathers, but I want to fly. The impossible I am trying. I am trying to do the impossible in order to attain Shiva. I am trying to do the impossible. Dekhahu muni abhibeku hamara, चाहिए सदा शिव ही भरतारा। देखो मुनि अभिवेक हमारा, ओ ऋषिस, look at my foolishness. I am trying to have Shiva as my husband. I am trying to get Shiva as my husband. That is the only reason why I am performing this tapasya. सुनत बचन बिहसे ऋषय, गिरि संभव तव देह, नारद कर उपदेश सुनी, कहु बसेउ की सुगेह। सुनत बचन बिहसे ऋषय. The Saptarishis laughed. They nicely laughed at her, not even smiled, laughed at her, mocked her, said, your body is from the Parvataraj. You have attained this body from the Parvataraj. Is there anybody in this world who has really become successful after listening to Narad Rishi? After listening to Narada's words, is there anybody who has attained anything in this world? Because Naradji is a very, very tricky person. And you are following his advice. पार्वती जी की बात सुनते ही ऋषि लोग हंस पड़े और बोले, तुम्हारा शरीर पर्वत से ही तो उत्पन्न हुआ है, भला कहो तो नारद का उपदेश सुनकर आज तक किसका घर बसा है? किसका घर बसा है? यार मने चन्ना गाई दे नारद. Whose house has been established because of Narad? He will do something or the other to break something relationship only. दक्ष सुतन उपदेश निजाई, तिन फिर भवन न देखा आई, चित्र केतु कर घरू न घाला, कनक कसिप कर पुनि असहाला. दक्ष सुतन उपदेशेनी जाई, उन्होंने जाकर दक्ष के पुत्रों को उपदेश दिया था, जिससे उन्होंने फिर लौटकर घर का मुंह भी नहीं देखा. Narad ji has gone and given some advice to the sons of Daksha Prajapati, and after the upadesh of Narad, they didn't even turn back home, they went away trickily. In a different sense, he is saying they become sannyasis. Chitraketu ke ghar ko Narad ji ne chaupat kiya. Chitraketu Gandhar was there. He went there and gave him some advice. He completely spoiled his house also. फिर यही हाल हिरण्यकशिप का हुआ. Hiranyakashipu also, Narad only told him, go and perform tapasya and ask God that I should not be killed inside, I should not be killed outside, I should not be killed in the evening, I should not be killed in the morning by neither human being nor animal. And everything he only teaches, and ultimately what is the state of affairs. So don't listen to Narada. That is the advice given by the Saptarishis. They are doing a test of Parvati. We will pause here today. Sachidananda Bhagavan ki